Jack and Jill are frustrated. Jack just put his parents in a nursing home, and Jill's mom is living with them in their basement while receiving in-home health care. They feel stressed and emotionally drained. Both sets of parents have lost their savings and independence because they lacked insurance coverage. It's become a burden for Jack and Jill, and they now realize they need to protect their own future. After experiencing this long-term care disaster with their parents, Jack and Jill want to protect their kids from the financial and emotional burden of having to care for them in their old age. They realize they need to transfer the risk to someone else. Just imagine if Jack and Jill had a long-term care policy. Instead of creating this emotional and financial burden for their family, the policy would have paid for their care and allowed them to maintain their independence. Might you need long-term care assistance? We buy homeowners insurance for our homes, and the odds your house will burn down are 1 in 1,200, but you'd never go a day without it. We buy auto insurance, and yet the odds you'll have a major auto accident are 1 in 240. The odds people 65 years and older will need long-term care before they die is 1 in 2, yet most people don't have long-term care insurance. It doesn't make sense. The greatest risk we'll face in retirement is suffering an extended health care event. Without long-term care insurance, you're playing the wrong odds, and it'll cost you dearly. What really worries Jack and Jill is the fast-approaching dark cloud of $250,000 per person risk for an average 3-year event. In 20 years, that will cost around $750,000 per person. Where's that kind of money coming from? Long-term care insurance builds a shield around your nest egg, protecting you and your family from that risk so you can enjoy your retirement. It allows you the freedom to take a vacation and enjoy spending quality time with each other. Your kids will be grateful they don't have to worry about changing your diapers or giving you that uncomfortable sponge bath because you planned ahead. They'll be able to take care of you better and longer without being your primary caregiver. Jack and Jill like this idea, but wonder how will they pay for long-term care protection? What if they use a small portion of their investment interest to pay for the policy? They have a $100,000 IRA earning an average of 5% per year. The interest is $5,000. So if they simply take a portion of the interest from that one investment to pay for a policy, they can protect their whole portfolio. So, getting down to business, what's the best way to buy long-term care insurance? Well, it certainly doesn't have to be the old school way where the local agent knocks on your door, plops down at your table, and won't leave until you give them a check. We're totally different. You simply complete the form on our website, then we'll follow up with a quick 5-minute phone call. We then email you the best option, giving you the freedom to do your research on your own time. When you have questions, you can call or email us. When you're ready, the company will email you the medical questions to apply. Once approved in 4 to 8 weeks, we'll mail you your long-term care policy to review. If you're comfortable with everything, you then send a check directly to the company to put it in force. Next, you simply need to request the quote and fill out the information. If traditional long-term care insurance isn't for you, watch our video on hybrid life and long-term care benefits.